Hi guys, MKSD with you. So today I'm going to talk about Asus Zenfone Live 1. So now it is available in Philippines and Indonesia, but soon it will be available all over the world. It has a face unlock feature, it has a 5.5-inch display and aspect ratio is 18:9. The internal storage is 16 GB and 1 GB RAM. The operating software is Android Oreo Go plus Zenfone UI 5. The Zenfone UI 5 is the operating software of Asus itself. It has a processor of Snapdragon 425. So basically Android Oreo is used for 1 GB RAM and the Zen UI is used for other things like clock, calculator, face unlock, camera, game genie, etc. So the back camera is of 13 megapixel with 2.0 aperture and the front camera is of 8 megapixel with 2.0 aperture also. There are 5 camera modes. They are beauty mode, auto mode, pro mode, panorama mode and time lapse mode. And there are 8 filters within camera app. It has a headphone jack of 3.5mm on the top. So there is no 2 chip slots as it is there in every phones. But there is only 1 chip slot, a 2 nano SIM card slot and 1 micro SD card slot which goes up to 2 TBs. It has a 3000 mAh battery and it charges with USB 2.0. There are 4 colors. They are midnight black, space blue, shimmer gold and rose pink. Well, that's all guys. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.